I'm Todd Corbett with Geoprobe Systems, and today we're going to introduce you to the portable hydraulic clamp system. Capable of clamping 1 1/4 through 3 3/4 probe rod systems. This clamp system is compatible with 7822 DTs, 6712 DTs, and certain 66 and 77 model machines. The clamp system is run off the auxiliary hydraulics of the probe machine, and at the control panel is controlled with either a lever or a button to make the clamp work. The clamp system can either be put over the top of a probe rod for use, or if the probe itself is engaged with the tool string, you can quickly pull a pin, open up to expose it, slip it over, and repin the system. The clamp system can be used in conjunction with our rod wiper weldment system. The rubber donut down here squeegees the rods clean as they come out of the ground, and the portable hydraulic clamp gives us a true hold on the rod. The Geoprobe portable hydraulic clamp system, compatible with many Geoprobe machines. Capable of clamping 1 1/4 through 3 3/4 probe rod systems, only from Geoprobe Systems.